Troubleshooting Epson printer ink issues.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to tackle an issue many of us encounter with our Epson printers. The printer appears to be using up ink but not actually printing anything on paper. We'll go through some key steps to identify and hopefully resolve this problem.
Are you using genuine Epson ink?
First and foremost, it's essential to verify whether you're using genuine Epson ink cartridges. Non-Epson or refilled cartridges may not work properly, leading to issues like the one we're discussing today.
Is the print head clogged?
The next step is to check whether the print head is clogged. An Epson printer not printing despite using up ink can often be due to a clogged print head. To clean the print head, 1. Access the printer settings on your computer. 2. Select the option for Print Head Cleaning. 3. Follow the prompts to complete the cleaning process. This may need to be repeated if the clog is severe.
Is the nozzle check result okay?
After cleaning the print head, perform a nozzle check to make sure that ink is flowing correctly. To perform a nozzle check, 1. Access the printer settings on your computer. 2. Select the option for Nozzle Check. 3. Follow the prompts to complete the check. If the page prints correctly, the problem is solved. If not, there might be another issue.
Is the ink cartridge empty?
Even if the printer's software says there is ink in the cartridge, it may be incorrect. So, try replacing the cartridge to see if this solves the problem.
Is there an issue with the printer itself?
If none of the above steps work, you might be dealing with a more significant problem with your printer. It may be a hardware failure that you can't fix at home. If this is the case, contact Epson customer service for further support. That wraps up our guide to troubleshooting your Epson printer ink issues. Remember that it's crucial to perform these steps in order, and don't hesitate to reach out to Epson customer service if you're unable to resolve the issue yourself. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.